Kind of spooky out here. It's all radiant chic. I'm sitting in a cornfield watching it rain. Wind's blowing. See, check this stuff out. Corn. Looks good too.